YouTube, man, what's going on? It's your boy Marcel. Show you how to get your forks out the way. I'll show you a little twirl real quick. Show you how I'm looking. Alright, man, so I have my mirror and comb. So let's see, can we find our forks? Got one right here at the top, and I got one on the side. Like right there. Yeah, right there. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and comb out our hair, and we're gonna try to break these forks. Let's get it. Your forks, you wanna make sure you are just comb out your hair first. Right, comb out your hair. Just comb out your hair. And also, try to find where the fork is. So, try to find out where that fork was that you already had analyzed. Try to find that. So, all we're doing is combing our hair out. You see, I combed my hair out, so what you want to do is find the forks. If you have 1, 2, or 3, just find your forks and let me show you what you gotta do. So, I have a fork at the top, right? And this fork I actually got because I was like, I have to do a fork video, so let me get the fork real quick. Did it for the squad, you know what I'm saying? I had to do it for the squad. So, if you got a fork, all you wanna do is comb in the direction of the fork. Eventually, over time, as you comb the fork, it's gonna break. If you comb your hair, you know, every day, doing what you gotta do, right? So, you wanna comb the direction of it. Also, you can go this way with it too. And then you can just lay it right back down. Very simple, very easy. After you do that, just keep combing where it's at. So the fork is like, my fork is like right here. It's like here, but it comes around right here, so I have to comb it down, right? So just keep doing that. And now, once you do that, if you want to comb out your crown, you can too. I usually do that as well, because you need to comb your crown out. Combing your crown out helps you better your crown connections. You already got your brush. I'm using a hard, so you want to just go ahead and find where the fork is. I usually want to comb like this, but it's just for the video. You find where the fork is, and all you do is brush in the direction of where the fork is. And then where the crown is at a little bit, don't use if you don't have like a crown brush, use like the tip. So you use the tip of the brush. Very easy, very, very simple. And then what you want to do is comb it down. And then you can comb the rest of your hair down as well. Just comb it down. You can comb your sides down if you want to, the front, this side, and the back. And there you all go. So if you want to know how to break your forks, definitely watch the video again. I do have in-depth videos on how to break your forks. That's in my playlist for the beginners and intermediate. But if you did like this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Hey man, I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.